Hello everyone, welcome to my channel DigiPhysio. This is Dr. Shalmali, physiotherapist. Today we are going to discuss on very common problem yet very important, that is neck pain. As we see nowadays, most of the people are working from home and the most common cause of this neck pain is bad posture for long sitting hours. If you ignore this condition at this stage, it might involve your spine, which may get arthritic changes, which we refer as cervical spondylosis, and then it furthers damages your shoulder joint, or it goes up to your hand also. There are few simple techniques with which you can avoid this damage and strengthen out your neck muscles. I'm going to show you these 4 simple techniques, 4 simple exercises which you can follow it on a regular basis at your home. The first one is the neck rotations from all the sides. When you're sitting, you have to sit upright with the back support with the shoulder aligned. First, what you have to do is taking your neck from here to upward position, holding it there for 5 counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, coming up in. Same way you have to do it in a downward positions. Try to touch your chin to the chest. Same, hold it there for 5 counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again at the neutral level. Same way you can repeat it for 10 times. Then it goes for the side rotations, that is your left side. Hold it for 5 counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, come straight. Then your right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. Then the flexion, side flexions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all the directions you have to move your neck. During these exercises, if you feel any dizziness or giddiness, you can stop it then and there. You can do some breathing exercises, that is breathing through nose, breathe out through mouth for 10 times. And you can approach your physio for that if you feel any discomfort doing these exercises. Here is in a side position. I will show you in this. You have to use your chin tuck. So taking your chin and going backwards without bending your forehead. You can go there, hold it for 5 counts and come back to the normal. This way also you can do. This is very important exercises if you have basically a forward neck posture. It will give a very good result for those people. And the last exercise is basically a strengthening exercise, which yourself using with your hand, you are giving a resistance. So for forehead, you have to keep your palm on your forehead. You can press your forehead on your palm, and you have to press your palm on your forehead. So basically you're giving resistance from both the sides. And hold it there, 5 counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. So this way 10 times. Again the backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Again the sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Again this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. So this all the 4 direction you can do. Now one tip is here, that whenever you're performing all these neck exercises, you can do it in front of the mirror. So you know you're not bending or doing any extra movement while performing any of these exercises. I hope this exercises will give you good benefit. Thank you for watching me. If you have any queries, you can let me know in the comment section. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.